So today we have the unboxing of the iPhone Air. Now let's take a look at this thing. The first thing I have to tell you, it is very light. And let's take a look at that screen. Okay. Slightly non-reflective. And boy, is this phone thin and light. It really is. I have a iPhone 15 Pro Max, and in the box, you just have that USB-C cord. That's it. But look at this thing. Wow. I am just blown away about how thin it is. And it does have a pretty good sized screen. It's slightly smaller than the 15 Pro Max screen, but I just love the way it feels in your hand so far. Now, I'm not real excited because it only just has the one camera. I know they say it's actually 3 cameras in one, but we're going to test that out. We're going to see how good it is. So come back to my channel and be sure to like, share, and subscribe.